Add elbow fitting 2 wing cylinders. Remove rear cab panel. Install Ethernet switch on rear of cab, followed by unwrapping and plugging in Ethernet harness into the associated cavities. Labels on the harness associate with the cavity numbers on the Ethernet switch. Route the power harness from the bulkhead bracket to behind the reservoir bracket secured by push-in retainers. Add fuse to new harness location. On other end of the power harness, route middle and new skid harness where the existing skid harness was, to the rear of the machine. Remove the left connector nut and install bulkhead bracket 2 connector. Reinstall nut 2 connector. Attach new power and chassis harness to the bracket. Install new height sensor bracket, transferring old boom track sensor. Perform same procedure to the left and right wing sensor brackets. Remember to measure the locations. Install IMU sensor to the top of both the left and right sensor brackets. Add IMUs to the left and right breakaway. Flip breakaway height sensor 180 degrees and plug in harness. Reroute hydraulic hoses in boom window R and L8. Add center hydraulic hose relocating brackets. Mount left side VPU assembly by hooking on center frame. Assembly is located by attaching to existing center frame bracket. Follow the same steps for the right VPU assembly. Window over hydraulic hose bracket locates the assembly. Install fuse center and bracket. Add additional bulkhead brackets to existing left and right location. Route center frame harness from the left VPUs down the harness hoop, then up the back side through the center harness channel. Mirror the same routing locations to the right VPU assemblies. Route the rest of the harness on top of the lower lift arm. Connect 2 Ethernet wiring harnesses from the switch to the VPU on the left and right side. Route Ethernet harness from the right switch to the rear cab switch. Reinstall rear cab panel. Install camera bracket 20 with the camera behind the grease line. Repeat for camera 17 on the left side. Bolt camera bracket 18 and 19 to the center frame with camera. Follow the graphic for routing camera harnesses to the cameras. Remove the breakaway fold guards. Add 2 spacers behind the outermost guard. The inner 2 guards only need 1 spacer. Add 1 spacer behind the middle frame fold guard. Install new fold stop and guard. Be sure to mark the location of the old bracket before removing. Remove all left boom cradle guards. Install spacer behind both upright guards. Replace both lower pads with one supplied in the kit.